Samsung Galaxy S23 is tipped for a redesign on the back, which returns the camera bump into 3 separate lenses that are more integrated with the design. But the Galaxy S22 Ultra already had that look, and it seems like not much is changing for the S23 Ultra. Not that complaining, you should expect an integrated S Pen once more for taking notes, drawing and more. Although the lenses are same as the S22 Ultra with the new stabilization and along with an even strong ISP with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, sources from Galaxy Club have confirmed that Samsung is working on a new Hexa 200 megapixel sensor for the S23 Ultra. Galaxy S23 Ultra will only power Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and no Exynos processor this year. Qualcomm will also going to come out with the big numbers on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, whopping 3.5 GHz clock speed, and as per rumors Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 can be a 16 Bionic chipset in GPU performance. Not only that, mid-cores and efficiency cores also have more clock speed, which means we can expect some noticeable improvements in performance, and TSMC is making these chipset. It will also be more efficient than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Expect at least 30% better efficiency than the S22 Ultra. Qualcomm will going to release this on November 15th event, but there is speculation in Samsung Eternal appears, where the higher officials wants Exynos 2300 processor the S23 Ultra. We actually have even slimmer bezel than the S22 Ultra, which is incredible because Samsung is pushing the boundaries as further as possible, considering Apple just gave the brightest older display on any phone to the iPhone 14 Pro. It's very likely they're going to bring an even brighter or perhaps the same brightness as the iPhone 14 Pro to the S23 Ultra. Samsung is on its way to launch the S23 Ultra earlier than expected. As per rumors, Galaxy S23 Ultra will be launched few weeks earlier than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which means we might see Galaxy S23 Ultra in January, which is a month earlier than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. According to Galaxy Club, the Plus model will with a 4700 million power battery, which is 200 million power increase compared to its processor, while the Ultra will reportedly stick to the same battery size. The S23 Ultra could be the first phone to have the 8K video recording without any crop. This phone complete with a pair of stereo speakers, a USB Type-C port, SIM card tray at the bottom and volume rockers and power button located on the right side on the phone. So, without been said, let me know your thought in the comment below. Peace out.